So over here, you can see that I have this test email right now. And if I were to go around and close this email, then what happens is that it automatically gets saved in the draft section right here. And as you go along and then make new mails just like this and close it, then what happens is that everything gets saved in the draft, as you can see. But you may not want the draft every time. So these are the draft that you have, and what you can simply do is, if you don't need the draft anymore, you can go around and then discard it as well. If I were to click on this, this is what you have, as you can see. And if I were to go around and click on discard draft right here when the mail is open, you can simply delete out the discarded draft, as you can see. You can quickly click on undo to get it back as well and delete it right here if you don't want. You can also go around and select out the drafts that you want. So you can add in check boxes to You can add in check marks to multiple number of drafts that you may have as well, and then click on discard draft if you want to discard them out right there. And that is how you can discard out the drafts if you don't need them anymore inside of Gmail. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.